Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 208 for the SteamVR. There are a couple of different methods, so try not to skip them. So what does this mean? This usually is a problem with faulty USB cables, HDMI cords, or something like that. So make sure that everything is properly hooked up, your display port, USB, your power cables, and everything like that. Make sure that the USB cables are plugged into the correct ports. Not every USB port is created equal. Some USB ports on older computers cannot support VR. My desktop PC, for example, the ports on the back of the PC cannot support VR. The ports on the front can. You can go into the BIOS to update the BIOS to kind of to make sure that they can. Or you can go into BIOS to check which USB ports are, well, properly functional for VR. So if you're having this issue, I would recommend moving the ports around a little bit and just messing with that to see if that fixes it a little bit. If you're in the HTC Vive, confirm that the orange ports on the link box are connected to the headset's cables and not reversed. You can also bypass the link box. You can directly connect the HDMI USB cables directly from the headset to the PC if you need. I would again reset all the headset cables as well from whatever headset you're using. Okay, now one thing I would recommend is to enable direct mode on SteamVR to ensure the headset isn't recognized as a regular monitor. If it is disabled, it can trigger error 208. So let's bring up SteamVR. And from here, go down to the developer tab and go to developer settings and recommend enable direct display mode. And if it's off, enable it and restart your SteamVR. If your SteamVR doesn't reboot automatically, then reboot your entire PC. By the way, I also recommend, of course, you to have your GPU graphics up to date because, of course, you need to. I would also recommend you update your USB drivers. How do you do that? Go to Device Manager and search. From here, find USB Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Here, you're going to see something called Generic Super Speed USB Hub or USB Hub. Right click on it, say update driver, search automatically update the drivers. Otherwise, I would recommend you power cycle the link box. So quit SteamVR, unplug the power and USB cables for the PC side of the link box if you have a link box. Wait 30 seconds and then reconnect it. I would also recommend you disable power management in Windows. This is quite annoying for Windows 8 and later. So go to Control Panel. From here, go to System and Security. From here, go to System. And from here, go to Manager. And for the USB hub, right click on it, go to Properties, Power Management. And uncheck the allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. And if you're not sure which USB hub that you're using, do that for basically all of them. I would also recommend you going into SteamVR. So launch SteamVR. From here, click on Developer Settings. And from here, click on Disable Power Management. Then restart SteamVR. Okay, let's ensure that your Steam headset is, your headset is being recognized as a display. So open Windows Display Settings. From here, go to Advanced Display. And from here, you can, I only have my one TV hooked in as a display, but you should be able to see the display here and choose it, and then choose the resolution for each eye. Make sure that the resolution for each eye is within the limits of that VR. For example, the Valve Index is 1440 by 1600. If it isn't listed, try unplugging and replugging it once again. And last but not least, let's try the SteamVR beta. So go into SteamVR, right click on this, go to Properties. From here, go to Betas. And from here, you can opt into the beta update. And then see if this basically helps This could help, it could not. If it doesn't help, you can always revert back to the previous release. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave the video a like. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice night.